The New Adventures of Raji and Mikey, Dorito Dust and the Fire Alarm Felony. Subtitle: 1 Crunch. 1 Pull. 1 Unforgettable Arrest. Asterisk theme: avoidance, snack sabotage, and the moment your mom stops defending you. It was test day. Geometry. I wasn't ready. I hadn't studied. I was emotionally allergic to triangles. So I did what any panicked hoodie-wearing legend would do: I pulled the fire alarm. Thought I was slick. Thought I'd escape. But I forgot one thing: Dorito dust. The police checked the fingerprints. They saw the orange smudge. They knew it was me. I got arrested in front of the whole school. My mom showed up. She didn't yell. She didn't cry. She just looked at me like I was a walking disappointment. And when I sobbed in the holding cell later, I realized maybe triangles weren't so bad. Raji, currently banned from vending machines and grounded until further notice. Scene 1: The Panic. Mikey, you ready for the test? Raji, define ready. Mikey, did you study? Raji, I watched a YouTube video about how triangles are a government conspiracy. Mikey, you're failing. Raji, not if I pull the fire alarm. Mikey, bro, don't. Raji, too late. Scene 2: The Pull. Raji sneaks to the hallway. Crunches a Dorito. Wipes his fingers on his hoodie. Grabs the fire alarm. Pull. Alarm blares. Students evacuate. Chaos erupts. Mikey, you really did it. Raji, I'm a genius. Calculator baby. IQ, questionable fingerprint integrity, compromised. Scene 3: The Investigation. Fire marshal, false alarm. We're checking prints. Police officer, there's a smudge. Orange. Cheesy. Forensics guy, it's Dorito dust. Classic nacho cheese. Principal, who eats Doritos during geometry? Mikey, only one man. Raji gets cuffed in front of the school. Student number 1, he's getting arrested for snacks. Student number 2, legend. Scene 4: The Mom Moment. Mom, you pulled a fire alarm. To skip a test. Raji, I panicked. Mom, you left Dorito dust. You left evidence. Raji, I didn't think. Mom, clearly. Officer, ma'am, he'll be held for a few hours. Mom, good. Let him sit. I'm not bailing him out. Raji, sobbing in the cell. Mikey, you okay? Raji, no. I miss geometry. Epilogue: Raji's journal entry. Raji. Today I learned. Dorito dust is traceable. Fire alarms are not test erasers. Mikey warned me. I ignored him. Mom's disappointment is louder than sirens. Jail is cold. Geometry is warmer. Raji, tomorrow? I study. And I eat pretzels.